guys, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So today we'll discuss one more kind of occupation, which is of politicians. So how can just by looking at someone's palm, we can get to know whether this person has got all those traits which are required to become a successful politician, all those reformers who have changed the society for the good. So how can just be seen via the perspective of palmistry. So we'll just study that, and first thing which I would like to mention is that my way of analysis is what has been advised in Hindu palmistry, the text written on Hindu palmistry, which is known as the Hasamudik Shastra, that we need to first look at the hand and get some information about the personality of an individual, so which is known as darshanam. Second is sparshanam. By touching the hand, you'll get to know the temperature of the hand, the resistance of the hand, whether the hand is flabby, whether the hand is hard. So that also tells a lot about someone's personality. And then comes the last part, which is the rekha vimarshanam, which is the analysis of the lines. So I always follow that approach only. So to begin with, we need to first check the overall condition and size of the hand. So what I have found true in my own research and what I have seen in the cases of the majority of the politicians, successful politician, is that their hand remained to be earth shape. So element wise, the earth shape hand of people would tend to be remain very good in terms of diplomacy, strategy making, and getting the respect and trust of the masses. So what are the features of earth shape of hand? That is, the palm would remain to be square in shape. So this shape of the palm, the length and the width of the palm would remain to be equal in size. Then comes about the fingers. So the fingers would remain to be short. So that's the first condition to look at. And the archetype qualities which are associated with the earth type of hand is that these people would remain to be very practical, very reliable, very hardworking. So that remains to be the first sign. Then comes the second part, which is looking at the condition of the index finger. Like the way I've been teaching you people that whenever it comes to analysis, you need to be aware of the archetype qualities of each finger. Like the way if you want to know whether someone has got the scholarly talents and potential, you need to look at the condition of the middle finger. If you want to know someone has got the potential and ability to become a successful artist, you need to check the condition of the ring finger. So same is the case, we need to check the condition of the index finger, because this finger is associated with planet Jupiter and it tells about our pride, our ambition, our desire for respect and our leadership traits. So in any case, if you'll find this index finger longer than the ring finger, like the way we check the length of the index finger is, we always compare it with the ring finger. So any point of time, you'll find this index finger to be longer in length. So that remains to be first sign that this person has got the potential to rise to a position of leadership. That's one sign. Then is the type of fingerprint pattern. So any point of time you'll find the whole kind of fingerprint pattern at the tip of the index finger. So that would also indicate that this person has got very very intense and very goal setting and goal achieving kind of quality and traits in his personality. So that's another sign to look at, because we give very strong significance and emphasis to the fingerprint patterns, because these print patterns remain constant in your hand throughout the life. These lines get changed with the change in your subconscious thinking process, with the change in your lifestyle, but they remain constant and they tell a lot about your inherent personality traits, your potential. So the whole print pattern is another sign to look at. Then comes the condition of the little finger, because little finger tells about your communication ability, your oratory skills, and in order to become a good politician, you need to have good communication skills. You need to be very convincing when it comes to your speech and whenever it comes to your oratory skills. So any point of time you'll find this little finger straight, without any crookedness, without any bend. And the ideal standard length of the little finger is that it should be reaching to the either the mid of the ring finger or towards this knot which you can see over here. So in case if you find it in this condition, that would also add on to the quality of someone progressing on towards the path of becoming a successful politician. So that's one more sign to look at. Then comes the condition of the major lines. So the first thing which you need to look at is the condition of the headline. This is our headline. So this is our headline. It tells about our logics, our ability to comprehend things, our mentality, you know, our memory. So all that is being seen from the our headline. So any point of time you'll find this headline rising from the close to the mount of the Jupiter. So something like this. Something like this. So this would also indicate that this person has got the drive to excel in his life, to drive to progress in his life, and in order to, you know, rise to a level of becoming a politician where there is so much of competition, there is so much of expectations, you need to be very driven in the life. So that is also one more sign to look at. Then comes the special symbols which you need to look at. So any point of time, if you'll find the symbol of either this is our symbol of flag or the symbol of your trident on the mount of the Jupiter or on the mount of the Venus. So this would also indicate very success in the realms of politics. So something like this, the symbol of flag, or let's say even the heart line. This is our heart line. Heart line making a trident on the mount of the Jupiter. So this would also indicate someone who has got the potential. So these two signs on the mount of Jupiter as well as these two signs on the mount of the Venus. So that is also one more sign to look at. And you know, like the way when I made a video on the special signs which are found on the palm and their archetype qualities, I clearly explained that, let's say for example, this is our sign of square. The archetype quality which is associated with this sign, the symbol is preservation. So wherever it will be found on the hand, it would preserve those significations. Same is the case if you will find the grill anywhere on the palm. This would indicate that confusion. Someone has got very confused, someone is very confused regarding whichsoever area and the region this will be found. So in that area, so let's say if you will find it in the mount of sun, so it would indicate that this person is very confused regarding his creative abilities. If he is in the profession of artistic and creative fields, so that is also one sign. And in order to check the qualities of your, you know, your diplomacy and your, you know, your tactfulness and ability to become a good politician, the sign which has been ascribed very special significance is the sign of triangle. Triangle represents your intelligence, your intellect, as well as the political acumen. So any point of time you will find this triangle either on the mount of the Jupiter or on the mount of the Mercury, something like this. So this would indicate that yes, this person has the ability to rise to the throne, to reach the throne, to become a very good politician. So that is also one more sign to look at. Then comes another thing which you need to look at, which is the presence of the Mars line. So this is our Mars line. So you should not get confused with this line with the influence line. Influence line are like something like this, which you'll find here, which tells about the presence of other people in our life, the deep influences. But the line which is closest to the lifeline, which is also known as a sister line, which provides aid to the lifeline, is known as the Mars line. And you know, in order to become a good politician, you need to have very good vigor, you need to have very good energy. So any point of time you'll find this Mars line, which in our ancient texts has also been described as the line of, a line, it's described as a karmic line, like as a result, fruit of your good deeds which you have done in past life. So you know, even if you want to check the past life or your karmic relation on the hand, so there are two lines which tells about that, and they both are like being found on the mount of the Mars only. So this is our lower Mars, where this is the Mars line which gives support to your lifeline, and another line is this, which is also known as Purva Punya, about the good deeds done in the past life. So right now for this occupation, the line which you need to give significance and emphasize is this Mars line. So this not only gives support and strength to your stamina, energy, but also act as a supporting factor. So the presence of Mars line will also be given significance to. And apart from that, you know, the nails have like, they are like different the features and different personality traits which can be seen by looking at the condition of the nails of your fingers. So like the way long nails tells about your someone who's very intuitive, someone who's like got very artistic and very imaginative qualities. Same is the way any point of time you will find the nails to be short and square. So short and square nails tell about good judgmental skills. So any point of time you'll find these specifically the nails of your index finger. So the nails of your index finger as well as the nails of your little finger to be short and square in shape. So this would also indicate that this person has got good judgmental skills. So that's one more sign to look at. And lastly, the condition of the thumb. So thumb which tells about your willpower, your determination, your how strong you are. So no matter how much pressure the opposition is putting onto you or how much criticism, obstacles you are facing on the path, but you have the ability to forge ahead, like surpassing all those problems and obstacles. So in any case, if you'll find the shape of the condition of the thumb to be firm, along with the shape of the thumb to be wasted like. So when I say waist like, I mean something like this, waist. So a thumb which is the second flange of the thumb is getting narrowed, as it is like from the top flange is broad, but as it is coming down touching your palm, so the second flange is getting thin. So this tells about someone who has got very tact and very diplomacy as a part of his personality. So a wasted thumb which has got second flange to be thinner as compared to the top flange also indicate that this person has got the right quantity of tact and diplomacy infused in his personality. So this is how we do analysis in palmistry. All those signs which I have discussed, I have talked about, they tell about the possibility of someone becoming a good politician, and also these are the signs which has been seen in the hands of the majority of the successful politicians across the world. And you know, one more thing which you need to look at, the presence of sunline. Though the presence of sunline, it tells about your recognition, the kind of, you know, the fulfillment of your goals. So all those people who are in the you know, in the field of the limelight, of the you know, in the field of society where everyone is watching them, they are the public favorites, they will definitely have a good sunline on their palm. So a presence of sunline along with the fate line beginning from the mount of the moon. So like the way I have always explained this thing in all my videos, that this mount of Venus, this portion on your hand, this portion tells about your family, all those people whom you know, and this portion of your palm, this is on the percussion side, is our mount of moon. So this portion is mount of moon, which tells about other people. So any point of time you will find this fate line starting from here, from the mount of the moon. So this would indicate that this person will always enjoy the support of other people. And the best sign is if you will find one of the branch of the fate line getting going in the direction of the mount of the Jupiter. So this would also indicate towards rising to the level of a very good position. So this is how we do analysis in palmistry. You need to look at all the signs. One sign never tells the whole picture. You need to look at it and the whole combination. And you know, one last thing, if any point of time you will see, let's say the sunline getting afflicted with any island, or let's say any crossbar, or any, you know, any worry line, any obstacle line, the sun line as well as the Mars line. So this could indicate getting entangled into some kind of scandal. So you need to properly age that line, and at that particular point of time you need to warn that person that you need to remain very watchful of your behavior. So this is how we do analysis in palmistry. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notifications on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.